Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 Bluetooth cutting issue. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your mobile. So swipe down and click on this icon and then click on this restart option here. And after restarting, if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. Now after opening settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps. Now after that, scroll down and here click on Bluetooth. Now after opening Bluetooth, scroll down and go to its storage. And after opening the storage, clear the app data and cache memory of Bluetooth app. Now after doing this, your problem will be fixed.